Hey guys, what is going on? It's Anthony here, and today I'm at Svob Park in Tempe, Arizona with Tori and Matt again to fly the drones. We found a shaded spot under this tree, and there's this big open space right here, which is perfect. So yeah, right here we've got the Mavic Air. This is Matt's drone. He's about to lift off here. So at Shout Park, guys, I flew the Phantom, and at this park I'm going to fly the Mavic. And the reason why I didn't leave my Phantom in the car is because inside the car, especially in Arizona, it gets really hot. You don't want those batteries in your car. They can get really puffy and they can actually explode. Here it is, the Mavic 2.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Hang on, babe. The fleet.
The Mavic family.
Let's roll up on Tori's drone.
So guys, this right here is why you have to be very careful if you choose to fly in sport mode. Now Matt was very excited, and right there next to the tree, almost hits the ground, but he's able to regain control. Now let's watch that again. Here it comes. There it is. And what he was doing, he was trying to stop, but the drone wouldn't stop. Because in sport mode, what happens when you try to stop is the drone will glide a little bit. So you have to be very, very careful flying in sport mode. Okay guys, so we just wrapped up flying the drones. I just packed up the Mavic 2 and I have it on my shoulder here. I really like this park. It's called Svob Park, SVOB in Tempe, Arizona. I checked it on AirMap and it is not within the vicinity of Phoenix Sky Harbor Airport. So you have a full 400-foot flight ceiling here. Especially if you're learning how to fly, so many people are getting drones. You really want a nice big field like there is here. So anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Definitely hit the subscribe button. Make sure you leave me a comment and make sure to thumbs up the video because that helps with ranking in the algorithm. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.